Hi everyone, welcome back to David's tutorial, and in this video it will show you how to join a group on your Roblox.
If you're planning to join a group on your Roblox, and here's how to do it. You want to go on and click open to your Roblox. So this one right here. So if you want to join in a group, you want to first select your game, what game you should play. So for example, this one, you want to press on that. Just scroll down for a little bit and you will see a developer. Right in the developer, there are a community that you want to join. So there are another lots of community that you want to join. So this community right here translate to a group in Roblox. So here is a community. So there are a lot of members right here, which is 207,000 members. But if you don't want that community or group, then you just wanna go on, press on more, go to community section, and you can actually search and browse for other communities that is available. Just search on your communities right here or more communities. And that's basically it. There are a lot of communities that Roblox has.